Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use multiple wire entry motion in a simple and practical way. Let's get started. First, select your machine here. We are choosing the Agi Charmills Cut P550. Next, move to the surface selection stage and select the side surface. Then go to Entry Motion, where you'll find an option called Enable Multi-Entry Motion. Enable this checkbox to activate multiple entry selection, allowing you to easily select multiple entry points for the wire. Once your entries are selected, proceed with the wizard process, where you can directly access the required page and set the necessary parameters. After everything is set, click on Accept and Calculate, and the system will generate the toolpath. Next, go to Stock Simulation and run the simulation. By clicking on Run to visualize the machining process. Here, you can clearly see that multiple entry motions have been created across different segments, confirming that the multi-entry motion feature is successfully applied. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.